celebrate the Lunar New Year, Apple is unveiling a limited edition version of their highly acclaimed AirPods 4, featuring a unique engraving that marks the year of the snake. These special AirPods are identical to the standard AirPods 4, offering all the signature features you love: active noise cancellation, adaptive audio, transparency mode, and spatial audio support. But it's the sleek, festive engraving that makes these truly one of a kind. Available for purchase in China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Singapore, these AirPods 4 will add a touch of elegance to your everyday audio experience. Priced the same as the standard AirPods 4, these special editions are now up for pre-order, with deliveries starting on January 8. But there's a catch. Apple is limiting each customer to 2 units, making this a truly exclusive offering. Apple has a tradition of releasing commemorative AirPods to mark the Lunar New Year. Previous years have seen AirPods customized for the year of the dragon, ox, tiger, and rabbit, and now it's the turn of the snake. But it's not just the AirPods that are on offer. To ring in the new year, Apple is holding a special sale across China with a 500 yuan discount on the iPhone 16 models, plus savings on Macs, iPads, accessories, and of course, AirPods. From January 4th to February 14th, you can also join Apple's Year of the Snake-themed Today at Apple Sessions, designed to add a creative spark to your celebrations. Whether you're listening to your favorite music, catching up on podcasts, or diving into spatial audio, these limited edition AirPods 4 bring both style and substance to your ears. Celebrate the Year of the Snake in style with Apple's exclusive AirPods 4. Get yours before they're gone.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is